All right, so you want to clean your boots. It's pretty easy. First thing, you need the supplies, something to protect the table, some type of brush, some leather conditioner, some leather cleaner, the boots themselves, some nice clean rags, and then finally some newspaper or paper or whatever to shove in the shoe. First thing that we need to do is remove the shoelaces. Abracadabra, voila, shoelaces off. Next thing you're going to do, just take a dry cloth, no water, no nothing. You're going to feel like you need that, but you don't. You're just going to be wiping and cleaning, get all the crevices, all the stuff. Just brush off the dust, easy peasy. Water is really the number one enemy. You can already kind of see the difference between the two shoes and just polish the dust out. Pretty easy. Next thing, grab that paper and shove it in the shoe. You're just going to shove it down into the toes to give it a little extra structure while you apply the cleaner and conditioner. So there they are. Grab your cleaner, and what you're going to do is you're going to just throw it on there. I had a little camera issue, so we were cutting in the middle of me cleaning, but you can see I'm splish splashing, apple sassing all over the place. It's really not a big deal. You're not going to ruin your shoes. Okay, I know you're worried about it. That's why you're here on YouTube. You won't ruin them. Just apply liberally, get the suds going, and scrub away. Make sure the bristles of whatever brush you're using are nice and soft, and just start scrubbing away. This is leather cleaner, whatever you decided to go with, whether it was the leather honey like me or something else, it doesn't matter. Just give it a good scrub down. This is what it's made for. Next thing we're going to do is just going to rub it down with the dry cloth. You're just going to get anything that's moist, wet, whatever, and try and just wipe it down, clean it up. Make sure that there's no soap left over. Now let's let those bad boys sit and dry and clean our shoelaces. Boom, shoelaces, easy peasy. Run them under a sink, get them nice and wet. Then grab a little Dawn dish soap, throw it on there, scrub a dub-dub. They're shoelaces, ain't no big deal. Let them dry. Let's condition the shoes next. You can either put it directly onto a cloth and rub it in like this, or if you're feeling crazy, just throw it right on the shoe. You're not going to ruin them. I'll say it again. Your shoes will not get ruined. Just don't go use a whole bottle on the shoes and you'll be good to go. A little bit goes a long way. Rub it in there. Nice circular motions. Boom, there's the before and the after. There's your nice clean boots. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a good day. Hope your boots are nice and clean. See you later.